Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Prometheus Web UI for monitoring VPS detailed guide step by step clearly. Open your web browser. In the address bar, type the IP address of your VPS. Press the Enter key to navigate to that address. Ensure that Prometheus is installed and running on your VPS. You should see the Prometheus Web UI load on your screen. Locate the login section if prompted. Input your username in the username field. Enter your password in the password field. If your credentials are correct, click the login button. If you encounter any issues, double-check your username and password. After successful login, you will be directed to the main dashboard. Explore the various options available on the dashboard for monitoring. Utilize the search bar to query specific metrics. Navigate to the Graphs section to visualize your data. You can customize dashboards by selecting different metrics. Take advantage of alerts for notifications on critical issues. Remember to log out after your session for security. Familiarize yourself with the features to enhance your monitoring experience. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.